You are not your own. I am not my own. He can do whatever he wants to do with us whenever he feels like it. Okay? You are not your own. All right? Who sits high and who looks low? Who is the creator of the world? Who makes all things new? Y'all, we have no control. No control. You cannot do nothing without him. So guys, sit tight, hold on, and do whatever it is that you need to do, but allow him to be in it so he can work it out for you, okay? I'll see you. Bye. Y'all, it's a beautiful morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Tea Time. Y'all, it's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day in spite of everything else that's going on out here in the world. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. Guys, you have to give thanks. Tell him thank you for everything, the good, the bad, the ugly. Tell him thank you. Right now, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. So yeah, guys, be great to yourself. Be good to yourself. Love on others, help others, teach somebody something, okay? Gravitate towards the good. Gravitate towards the good. Pull away from the bad, guys. I keep saying, transform your minds away from this world, okay? And you'll be all right. You can't worry about what you see today out here. You can't. You'll be confused, disturbed, disappointed, and upset every day. And who wants that? I don't want to be upset and disturbed and disappointed every day. I want to have joy in my heart. I want to have sunshine in my spirit. I want to have love in my heart to give someone else. I want to bless somebody through my words. I want to bless somebody that's having a bad day. When I come into their space, they're like, oh, yes. Round of applause. Let's take a cup of tea. Drink up. Water, tea, coffee, juice, smoothie, water, whatever. Drink it now. Let's go. So I won't be before you long, guys. I just want to say good morning. It is a good day. It is a beautiful day. Fill your spirit. Fill your life. Fill your heart with good things. Please learn how to do it. Ask somebody. There's people here to help you, okay? Guys, I will see you guys next time in another episode of Tea Time. Guess what, y'all? If nobody's told you today, yesterday, the day before, a couple of months ago, a couple of years ago, I love you. I love you, and you cannot do nothing about it. You can't make me stop loving you. You can't just make me do that. You cannot. I'm telling you right now, you right here, I love you. I'll see you in the next episode of Tea Time. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. Y'all, who really run the show around here? Didn't I just tell y'all this morning who run the show? OMG, I'm about to show y'all who runs the show, okay? Because because she just ain't got all this on for nothing. Let me just show y'all really quick because I got to go. Who runs the show? Who runs the show? Who runs the show? Who runs the show? Y'all, happy Thursday. We made it to Thursday. Guys, look who run the show, okay? Look at this. Y'all, hold on. Who's running the show?
No!
Can I get a
No!
Can I get a
No!
Y'all, look at this. My patio furniture and look at this stuff, y'all. Oh my God. What are you doing? What is going on out here? Look, y'all. Do y'all got snow? This is what we woke up to. April Fool's Day. April Fools, y'all, but this is not an April Fool's. I'm like, what in the world is going on? Look at that. Who run the show? Who's running the show? Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little disturbed because yesterday Mark went to Walmart to go look for a TV stand. They didn't have one. So I was gonna go to the one that he went to because he was near there. But when he called me, I said, okay. I was supposed to go get Scotch Guard. Today, I'm going to get Scotch Guard to Scotch Guard the pillows and all that stuff. But guys, can y'all? I'm a little disturbed, but I'm not mad because he runs the show. He ain't ready for us to have what we want right now. He's delaying some things and it is okay. So that's why I got my cap and stuff on. But guys, I was like, is this an April Fool's joke? I ain't gonna lie. I thought he went back there and put snow outside. Like, really? No, I didn't. God did that. That's what he wants for us. He said, no, he ain't ready for us to have no fun yet. He ain't ready for it to get all the way warm yet because y'all already know people being cooped up in the house, they're going to be acting crazy. So that's why we making the oasis because we ain't trying to be out there. We trying to go elsewhere, out of the States, or in the backyard. That is it. But guys, yeah, I was like, are you kidding me? All that stuff I just did, but I'm going to say we did. But one thing I am glad about is that deck got painted. So that's a beautiful thing. Oh, let me show y'all. I found the box. Remember this that I did? Guys, this actually was a box that you put on the, that you put outside with the feet and stuff on the back of it. Well, it did have feet on it. But if you guys remember, I hauled this from a Goodwill out hanging out with a friend. So it is white and gray. I don't have, I'm going to put a bag. I'm going to put a bag inside of here. I'm going to put my herbs in here. So what I'm going to do is, like each section, like one section here, so it'll be 3 sections. So I only have one herb so far. I have cilantro. So what I'll do is I'll get like 2 more herbs. I'll get dill, and I'll get dill in another one. So that's what we're going here. I'm gonna get dill and 1 more. But I'm just excited that, like I said, the deck is painted, and yeah. So I don't know what's going on today. We are going to try to go out to Walmart, because I'm going to get the stain stuff. We're going to do the TV stand. And I'm trying to think of something else. I can't remember right now. But, guys, I'll catch you later because she got to go to work. I'll see you guys later. Oh, what was I thinking? It is super cold out here. But I had to do it. The girl she got to stay in shape. So I had to come out here. But, guys, it's super cold. I took my lunch break. So I said, you know what? It's okay. I just hope this is the last one. But it's cold out here. Can y'all see what I see? Look at that. Look at that. Snowy, snowy, snowy. So guys, I will see y'all. Oh, the trees are blowing. Did y'all hear that? You hear it? Let me go before this tree fall down on me. Hey y'all, it is so cold outside. I am back, but I came home to make some hold the line, y'all. I gotta use the bathroom. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I had to go to the restroom. I've been drinking so much water, but I came home. I just got here maybe about, I'm gonna say half an hour ago, 45 minutes. I've been on the phone with Walmart. I'm trying to go see. Like I said yesterday, he went to see if one of them was open, and they were, but they didn't have any mounts for the TV. They didn't have any, but I'm thinking about going to another one that's like nicer area farther away and see if they may have one. So I'm putting together the tofu. Let me show y'all quickly. Putting together the tofu scramble, and yeah, gonna have a quick, this will be like brunch. So that's what I'm doing here. And then this is the last of the tofu, y'all, too. So yeah, let me know too, y'all. I think I asked y'all, did it snow there? This is crazy. I guess it's not crazy. I just wasn't used to it. It's gonna snow because she done got spoiled with her patio stuff. Hold on, y'all. Wait until I fix this.
When you get done cooking, I'll eat that.
Oh my God. Okay. It'll be ready in a minute. Let me get things going. Y'all, I forgot where I then lost my train of thought. Let me froth the what's the name here? I got that frothing while I'm waiting on the sorry y'all, we awfully bright. Yeah, I got the frothing, and then I gotta put this stuff in one thing at a time, y'all. She can't do everything, okay? I'm smashing up the tofu now. And we'll get this cooking. And then I'll give him his plate, and then he's gonna go to sleep because you done worked all night and you worked this morning and you just now getting home. Well, he came home this morning like about 8 because I just woke up. I woke up about that time because he came in and kissed me. So worked night shift, came in, changed your clothes for the next job. Now it's 2:30. So yeah. So let me get this cooking and then I'll come back, y'all. Hold on a second. All right, y'all, everything is almost done. Let me pour this coffee in here. Uh-oh. Save me some, because I didn't have no coffee today. And let's put a little bit of creamer. Uh-oh. So guys, here's the tofu scramble. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika on it. I only want a little bit. That's why I only got just one bagel. I put some cheese on it. It looks good, y'all. We're gonna put a little bit of paprika on it. Y'all, don't that look good? Put a little paprika. Ooh, wait! Look at that. Look at that, y'all. All right, y'all, let's go take this food. Y'all, if your man work hard, show him you appreciate him. Cook him something to eat. A lot of people don't be cooking their man nothing to eat. I don't understand that. Cook your husband or your man something to eat if he deserve it. You know what I mean? So let's get on down the hall and let's take this food. Let's take this food. Let's see the look. Already. Here, bud. Here you go. You knocked out already. Do you need a tray? You should. Here. Let me go get the tray, cause he always say that, and it's like food everywhere, everywhere. Let's go get this tray. Let's get this tray right here. Yeah, I gotta find another tray that's empty. Well, I do have one in the kitchen, but I don't feel like going to get it. So let's do this one. Here you go. So I'm gonna eat mine, guys, because I was watching the program. I'm gonna eat mine, and I will see y'all in a little while. Hopefully when we go to the stove. All right. Did you say, ma'am? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It is starting to stick. Look over here. Look over here. It's starting to stick. Hours later.